Hello, I'm Pirum. Now I'm describing in module 2, and in the module 2 have 4 points to describe, like data type, convert to data type, constraint, and variable. In first time I choose the data type for describe first. For the data type, we have a lot of data type, but in the data type, in the main data type have for like type integer, real number that we use floating, and type of logic that we call it boolean, and type of character and text like character string, yes, like this. And next I choose the example in the module 2 data type for explain. In first time, for this statement we print out the Boolean chars type data, and we declare the data type int have variable h, and variable h store value 10, and then we print this statement. And for in we use it for the break line down, and then we declare the variable the ball and have value, have variable y. For the ball also we can store the real number like 128.134 like this, and then we just print out. And for a character also we declare variable character that have data type char and store a character a, and next we declare a data type or point to text. They have the string kata, and the three char we declare data type char have variable is array that have index 39 and store the string like this. And the bottom we just to print out of the character. Yes, maybe see up together. For a program that have run will show like this. For my explanation about data type will finish. In this point I choose the conversion to data type, and I would like to say you how important to use conversion. In first we can convert other data type to long the ball, or to tie the ball, or to float. And also we can convert from the char unsigned sort or other to int also. And this code will be explain you how to convert from char to integer. In first time we declare the variable character have the type char and store value a, and then for the conversion to integer we just to write that like open the parenthesis and type until integer and close parenthesis, and next write the variable character that have character is a data type, and then it's okay. So now we run to see together. Yes, it will be so like this. The character A equal A and null ASCII equal 65. For my explanation was finished now. In this point, I choose the constant for explanation, and the first time we should know what is a constant. The constant is the type identifier that is constant or fixed, and it's meaning that the constant is not able to change. And the other hand, why we use a constant? Because constant have a three benefit. Like one, we use the constant, we don't want to have the repeatedly type or the same value, and second, the value can be changed in the single location if necessary, and third, descriptive name of a constant make the program easy to read. And now I explain in this code. Before we we declare the constant, we start the first character constant and data type, variable, and value like this: constant, integer, variable, max, and value 5. And in this statement we use the constant for into index array A that have data type in integer, and second, we do for loop the value of index array multi with 10, and the loop other, we loop the value of index of array about that we do on this, and then we print out the value of index array above. And now we look together. The program will be so like this. And for my explanation about constant is finished now. In this point, I explain you how to use variable and the process of variable also. Variables can be declared just about anywhere in our code and can be used anywhere in the current block, the line where we are declare. Variable also we can declare without being given a value. And this code we have declared a variable 2. In first we declare variable in global, and second we declare in local. For the global variable in variable A that have data type integer, and then we have the input the value of the A 100, and then we print out the value of variable A. And the local variable we just declare in the scope of int main, that we declare in integer and variable B, and we put the value of variable B is 30 sorry, and then we just print out the variable b, and that okay. And now look at the process of program like this. The value a is 100 and value variable b is 50. Yes. For my explanation about variable was finished. Thanks for watching my clip.